In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get indicator name labels on TradingView in 2025. If you're keen on tracking multiple indicators, having their names conveniently labeled on your chart is a huge help. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you're fully equipped to navigate TradingView with added ease and functionality. First, open your TradingView account and navigate to the charting section. If you haven't already set up TradingView, it's recommended to create an account so you can save your preferences and chart settings. Upon reaching the chart interface, you'll see a variety of tools and options, which can be overwhelming if you're new to this platform. Don't worry, with a little guidance, you'll be navigating like a pro in no time. Once you're in the chart section, focus your attention on the chart settings. You can access these by looking towards the top right area of the chart interface, where you'll find a small cogwheel icon representing the settings. Go ahead and click on this cogwheel. This is your entry point to customize various aspects of your charts. TradingView's interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll find that adjusting settings becomes natural with just a little practice. In this next step, look for the section labeled Labels within these settings. It's usually found within the chart settings panel, so take your time to explore if you're not immediately able to find it. Labels play a vital role in enhancing chart readability. They allow you to add visible indicators and finance-related data, making it easier to monitor and interpret market trends. Here comes an important part. Within the Labels section, you should see an option that says Indicators and Financials Name Labels. This option is what enables the indicator names to appear directly on your chart. Clicking this will activate the feature, allowing you to see the names of any indicators you're using right there on your visual grid. This visibility helps in keeping track of each indicator's impact on your trading strategies, serving as a kind of cheat sheet directly on your chart. To recap, what you've done here is a simple yet impactful customization on TradingView that adds significant clarity to your trading activities. By showing the names of your indicators, you can make quicker, informed decisions without losing track of any analytical details. This minor adjustment not only optimizes chart functionality, but also enriches your technical trading acumen. With trading and analysis, every edge counts, and being organized with your tools is a fundamental step in advancing your trading strategy. That's how simple it is to get the indicator name labels on TradingView. As you continue to refine your trading methodologies, using tools like these will certainly enhance your expertise and efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy trading.